Hello, this video focuses on knee pain. Knee pain is a common complaint that affects people of all ages. Knee pain may be the result of an injury such as ruptured ligament or torn cartilage. Medical conditions including arthritis, gout, infections also can cause knee pain. Many types of minor knee injury respond well to self-care measures. Knee pain can be aggravated by physical activity as well as obesity, affected by the surrounding muscles and their movement, and be triggered by other problems such as foot injury. Knee pain can affect people of all ages, and home remedy can be helpful unless it becomes severe. Exercise and knee pain. To minimize pain and to improve quality of life, it is important to stretch and strengthen the surrounding leg muscles to provide more support and reduce stress around the joints. Remember, exercise should not be painful. If you experience pain, discontinue and consult with your clinicians. Getting started. Warm up. Before doing the following exercises, warm up with 5 to 10 minutes of low impact activity like walking or riding a stationary bicycle. Stretch. After warm up, do the stretching exercise before moving on to the strengthening exercises. When you have completed the strengthening exercises, repeat the stretching exercise to end the program. Don't ignore pain. You should not feel pain during an exercise. Talk to your clinician if you have any pain while exercising. Ask questions. If you are not sure how to do an exercise and how often to do it, contact to your clinician. Stretching exercises. Performing lower body stretching exercises may help improve the range of motion and flexibility in your knee joint. This can make it easier to move your knee. Try to do these stretch and exercises at least 4 to 5 times a week. Heel and calf stretch. Stand an arm's length from a wall. Place your right foot behind your left. Slowly, gently bend your left leg forward. Keep your right knee straight and your right heel on the ground. Hold the stretch for 15 to 13 seconds. Release. Reverse the position of your leg and repeat. Or sit on your bed or floor with your legs in front of you. Wrap the towel around the ball of your foot just below your toes. Gently pull on the towel, allowing your foot to slowly bend towards your knee while keeping your knee straight. You should feel a slight stretch on back of knee. Quadricep stretch. Stand next to the wall or use a chair for support. Your feet should be shoulder width apart. Bend one knee so foot goes up towards your glutes. Grab your ankle, gently pull it towards your glutes as far as you can comfortably. Hold for 30 seconds, return to the starting position and change legs. Repeat 2 times on each side. Hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with both legs out straight. Extend your arms and reach forward by bending at the waist as far as possible while keeping your knee straight. Hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds. Relax back into the starting positions. Repeat 3 times. Strengthening exercises. You can help reduce the stress on your knee joint by regularly working the muscles around your knee. To help strengthen your knee, focus on moves that work your hamstring, quadriceps, glutes, and other hip muscles. Quadricep settings. Lie on your back with legs you want to exercise straight. Place a small roll towel underneath the knee. Slowly tighten the muscle on top of the thigh, that means quadricep, and push the back of the knee down into the roll towel. Hold contraction for 5 seconds, then slowly release, resting 5 seconds between each contractions. Perform 3 sets of 10 repetitions 1 time daily. Half squat. Get into the standing squat positions with your feet shoulder width apart. Place your hand on your heel bent out in front of you for balance. Looking straight ahead, slowly squat down about 10 inches. This is the halfway point to a full squat. Pause for a few seconds, then stand up by pushing through your heels. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Calf raises. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Position yourself next to a wall or hold onto the back of a chair for support. Lift both your heel off the ground so that you are standing on balls of your feet. Slowly lower your heels to the starting position. Control is important with this exercise for strengthening your calf muscles. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Hamstring curl. Stand facing a wall or use a chair for support. Your feet should be hip width apart. Lift one foot up, bend your knee, raise your heel towards the ceiling. Go as far as you can while keeping your upper body still and hips pointing forward. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Relax and lower to the starting positions. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions for each leg. Leg extension. Sit up tall in a chair. Put your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Look straight ahead, contract your thigh muscles and extend one leg as high as possible without raising your buttocks off the chair. Pause, then lower to the starting position. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions for each leg. Straight leg raises. For this exercise, you can use a mat to aid cushioning under your back. Lie down on the floor with one leg bent and one leg straight out in front of you. Contract the quadricep of your straight leg and slowly raises it off the floor until it is the same height as your bent knee. Pause at the top for 5 seconds, then lower to the starting position. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions for each leg. Side leg raises. Lie on your side with your legs stacked on top of each other. Cradle your head in your hand and place your other hand on floor in front of you. Raise your top leg as high as you comfortably can. You should feel this on side of your hip. Pause briefly at the top and then lower your leg. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions for each leg. Prone leg raises. For this exercise, you can use a mat to aid cushioning beneath you. Lie on your stomach with your legs straight out behind you. You can let your head rest on your arms. Engage your glute and hamstring muscle in your left leg and lift your leg as high as you comfortably can without causing pain. Be sure to keep your pelvic balls on the floor throughout this exercise. Hold your leg in the lifted position for 5 seconds. Lower your leg, rest for 2 periods, then repeat. Do 2 to 3 sets of repetition for other exercises for knee pain. Once you have built up the strength in your knee, and you may want to consider adding low impact exercise to your routine. Low impact exercise typically put less stress on your joint than high impact exercise like running and jumping. Examples of low impact exercise include yoga, tai chi, elliptical machine, swimming, stationary cycling, water aerobics, walking, etc. Other self-care measures may include rest, ice or heat applications, compressions, elevations, avoid overactivity, avoid cross-leg sitting, reduce weight, use brace, proper dietary supplements, etc. Disclaimer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.